Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best bathroom safety rails for toilets on the market, the lianjindun toilet safety rails. If you or a loved one are looking for reliable, sturdy, and easy-to-use support in the bathroom, stick around, because this product might just be exactly what you need. Let's set the stage. The bathroom can be one of the most hazardous places in a home for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges. Slips, trips, and falls are all too common. That's where toilet safety rails come in. They're not just accessories, they're essential tools for maintaining independence and safety. And among all the choices available, lianjindun has created something that really stands out. So what makes the lianjindun toilet safety rail special? First off, it's the build quality. This frame is engineered to support up to 300 pounds, offering a sense of confidence and security to anyone who uses it. You can feel the stability the moment you grip it. The entire structure is designed to reduce wobbling, even when installed around more compact or irregular toilet setups. Whether you're recovering from surgery, dealing with balance issues, or assisting a loved one who needs support, the solid frame brings peace of mind. Now let's talk about adjustability. Not every bathroom, or user, is the same, and lianjindun knows that. The rails are fully adjustable in width and height, which means they can be customized to suit your space and the user's comfort. Whether your toilet is standard or elongated, this frame is designed to fit. And the height adjustments make it easier to stand up or sit down without strain on the knees or back. What's also impressive is how easy it is to set up and store. The foldable design means you can collapse the rails when they're not needed, a feature that's especially helpful in smaller bathrooms or shared spaces. No need to uninstall the whole thing. Just fold it down and tuck it out of the way. Let's not forget the handles. They're padded with a non-slip, textured foam that's soft to the touch but firm enough to grip. Whether your hands are wet, shaky, or weak, these handles are designed to give you the best possible hold. That's the kind of thoughtful design that turns a good product into a great one. Installation? No tools required. You simply align, adjust, and tighten the frame around your toilet base. It's intuitive and straightforward, and it doesn't require any permanent alterations to your bathroom. That's a major plus, especially for renters or those who want an easy, damage-free setup. If you're caring for elderly parents, recovering from surgery, or you simply need more support when using the toilet, this product is made for you. It's also great for caregivers because it minimizes the amount of physical support needed during transfers, making both the user and the helper feel more secure. To wrap this up, the lianjindun toilet safety rails deliver comfort, safety, and convenience in a lightweight yet robust package. It's easy to install, easy to use, and easy to store, all while giving you maximum support and confidence in the bathroom. And as the #1 bestseller in its category, it's clearly helping thousands of people do just that. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Stay safe, stay supported, and we'll see you in the next one.